So you have strength, you have certain strength on a piece of bark. So if I was to rip the bark this way, I could. I could never rip it this way, you know. That there would make a nice basket. You could make a nice big basket out of that, you know.
They say that you're supposed to clean the inside, like, because of the, whatever, the
What's
gum
that?
that's on it. They talk about that you clean this somehow or something, because of that moisture or whatever's on it.
I mean, yeah, because you kind of scrape all that off, eh?
Yeah.
You know, so for example, I have a knife here. But again, they wouldn't use this for the canoe,
Right.
you know, because what they feel is that you see these, they don't know how that's going to react over time with the water and stuff.
For sure.
And so they, you know, but again, a good piece of bark